What's up, everybody? Corvette Boys, another episode. We got my man John here. He got a beautiful 1966 Chevelle, people. This is the one. Check it out, y'all. John, tell us a little bit about it. I mean, the color's beautiful. The color. I mean,
1966 Chevelle Super Sport. The color's perfect turquoise.
Wow.
There wasn't that many colors in that year. There was only a few. I think a Malibu and El Camino.
Okay.
And I haven't seen this color since.
Gotcha.
The interior is two-tone, is a fawn and parchment. It's another stock 66 supply.
Okay. What kind of motor are you running there?
I'm running 396. The 396, this thing got beefed up a little bit.
Yeah, we can hear it when you came in.
Check it out. Sure.
Man, look at how clean she is, people. Look at this car. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. Man. My goodness gracious. Look at this 396 big block.
Yes.
This is all the power you need right here. And what kind of radiator are you running?
I'm running an aluminum radiator. The steel wasn't working. On a day like this, I couldn't come out.
Gotcha.
If it's too hot for me, it's too hot for her.
Gotcha.
Okay.
I understand. Totally understand. Man, this is the SS, 1966 SS. And what kind of transmission you have in here, John?
Right now, I'm running a Tramex. It's a 5-speed. I took the Muncie out to get that extra overdrive gear.
Right.
I love the Muncie with the hearse, but this will do.
Yeah, you got the 5-speed in here now.
Yes, the 5-speed.
Okay.
Haven't used 50 years since I've had it. Something about keeping our RPMs at 3,000 RPMs is perfect for me.
Gotcha. That is something else. Let's take a walk around here. Man.
Now, I always had Prager Super Sports on here. I had American Clients when I first got it.
Okay.
And I switched over to the Super Sports, and been with the Super Sports ever since.
The Prager Super Sports.
Yeah, they give it the old cars, the old Chevys, a little bit of a flick.
Yeah, it does. It really does. I mean, it just fits so well with the car. I couldn't see any other rim on the car. You know what I mean? Oh man, unbelievable. Let's check around and walk around the back of this rascal. Boy, she is a beauty, y'all. She's a beauty. Man. Look at this. Look at the dudes coming down on the back of the chrome coming off the wheels.
It's a stainless steel exhaust system. At the time, they didn't have it originally coming out the sides.
Right.
I just had this installed 3 years ago.
Very nice, John. Very nice. Look how clean the gas tank is up under here. Look at this. Down the bottom. Look at this. Okay. Yeah, John's going to take us for a ride in this beautiful 1966 SS Chevelle. We're going to go for a quick spin in this, y'all. Unbelievable. What a pleasure. Look at this, folks. Wow. Folks, it doesn't get any better than this, y'all. 1966 Chevelle. Wow. Oh, gosh. Woo. He just pulled second gear, y'all. We left rubber all behind us back here on this car. Unbelievable. Wow. Oh my gosh. I wasn't ready for that, but I'm ready now.
Yeah, I have to make sure she's on the straightaway. She's true to the policy.
I understand. A straightaway, yeah, it's always best. Yep, always best. Man, she runs really good, y'all. Really good. Look at this. Unbelievable, John. That's all I gotta say is unbelievable. They don't make them like this anymore. Yo, that's another episode of Corvette Boys TV, y'all. We got my man John here with this bad 1966 Chevelle SS. Took me for a ride in the car, y'all. Hit second gear and laid rubber everywhere. Look, scared the hell out of me too. But in the meantime, John, we'd like to thank you for coming on our show, man. And it's a beautiful thing, man. It's all Chevy, all Chevy. It's one big family, y'all. One big family.
Yeah, I appreciate your brothers noticing it.
Yes.
I do admire your brothers also, but this is me, old time, old school.
Old school muscle, y'all. Can't beat it. Can't beat it, y'all. Thanks again for coming on the show, John. We're gonna do the Corvette Boys flags, all Chevy. We're coming up with it like this. You feel me?